This house, as you can see, is by a river. Over the last 2 winters, the property has flooded up to 8 inches with water. I came down to the property, saw the client and came up with an idea that the only real solution was to lift this house. I've known Mabey for many years, doing installations in temporary works and groundworks, and I got onto Mabey and very quickly described the fact that Mabey could provide 25 jacks which would lift a bridge in a synchronised manner, and that helped me then develop a system.
It was a treat to have this project roll into the inbox. It's a really interesting scheme with so many different factors. We could really help out by using our hydraulic jacks in order to help Mike's plan. He came to us with the general arrangement for it all, and we were able to sort of take that, develop it into a working concept.
It's relatively complex. Mike, the engineer, has come up with a really good system, but in terms of hydraulic pipe work and obviously getting the monitoring correct and all the rest of it, there's a lot of cables, there's a lot of hoses and a bit of complexity in actually trying to synchronise the lift.
The drawings that I received, picking up the technical that we'd shown on our drawings and showing the jack assembly, the manifolds, how you were going to distribute the hydraulic system, were superb. I had no comments whatsoever on them. We need to lift the building about ½ a metre to return it to a 1 in 1,000 year resilience for flooding, plus 40% of climate change. So we're lifting the building nearly ½ a metre. We welded an oversized rectangular hollow section, which then could take a slide-through needle beam, which we would then prop on blocks and concrete plinths outboard of the building footprint. So that enabled us to go through the sequence of jack reset and then go again.
The monitoring, what they call the draw wire potentiometers, now they're connected to the floor and the actual wall. So there's a wire that pulls out as the wall rises, and then it feeds a signal back and it tells us how much in millimetres the structure's actually moving. It's a perfect job for Mabey Hire due to the jack and pack capabilities that we do have from previous jobs. We've got an excellent level of stock. The jacks have lent itself to this job. It's perfect. It's something that we've enjoyed doing, and we like to get our teeth into the jobs that are a little bit sort of out of the norm, if you like.
Having a dedicated hydraulics team who really are specialists in their field, it means that we are able to sort of turn our hat to any opportunity, and it was refreshing to be on such a local residential job as opposed to a large infrastructure project. It just demonstrated how we can adapt to whichever project type we're working on.
We have lifted our building and re-given value to it because it was becoming a property which would have been unmortgageable and unlivable. A project like this is not something you embark upon easily. There are so many factors, so Mabey we're a tremendous asset, I have to say. Finding them and bring them in on this project really tipped it in the favour of it really going in the right direction. Thank you, Mabey.